Alright guys, today we are here with Aryia. We are going to do some highlights on his hair. We're going to do a haircut, and most importantly, we're going to teach you guys how to properly trim your mustache.
Fuck yeah.
Alrighty, we just finished with the highlights. Now we are going to the haircut, and then after that we're going to do his amazing mustache.
Let's go.
So we're all done with the highlights and the haircut. Now we're gonna add about that much of this molding cream by Moroccan oil, and we're gonna diffuse it.
Moroccan.
So you wanna make sure that you grab enough product, right? And then when you apply it, you just wanna tap it.
I can't tell if you're serious or not. I'm like, what's happening?
So this is a diffuser, and that's how we're gonna style his hair. We are going to the main event, which is gonna be right over here.
Right here.
If you see that, that is actually called a mustache. And we're gonna show you guys how to properly trim your mustache.
Fuck yeah.
Alright, so step one is you put a #1 guard on it. Depending on how thick your mustache is, if your mustache is thicker, you probably wanna go with a half. The guard is on, and you wanna open that. That becomes a 1.5. Here you go.
I'll do the honors.
You have the power.
To myself. Here we go.
Get on there.
Boom.
And you want to make sure you hit everything evenly. If you notice the difference of the sound, it's not cutting anymore, which is good. That means you got everything. Oh yeah.
All right.
Woo.
Slick.
Step 2. You get your outliner, turn it on, and you just hit right around the lip, just cleaning the crazy little guys right there. So if you ever want to sharpen it, you can make this, like press it down, right? And make it sharp. Or if you feel like this is too long and you want to bring it in, like for me, I bring mine up like right there and then round off that corner. So it's not all the way out here.
Okay.
Alright, so we just finished up with Aryia, his mustache and his hair, and some highlights in there. Make sure you guys check out his channel. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and
comment, turn on post notifications, comment below who you want to see next on Robert's show, buy his merch. Yeah, thanks for having me on.
Of course, dude.